Make this stunning paper cut transition in Premiere Pro under a minute. Let's begin. Start by adding 2 clips to the timeline. Now drag the paper cut asset above your first clip right at the end. You can download this paper cut asset from YouTube. Go to Effects, search for Ultra key and drag it onto your paper cut asset. In Effect Controls, select the key color and choose green. Next, select the razor tool and cut the first clip where the paper cut transition starts. Select both clips, right-click and choose Next. Now place your second video where the paper cut asset's blue screen starts. Again, drag Ultra key onto the nested sequence and select the key color to blue. And that's it. Your paper cut transition is ready. I post quick Premiere tutorials for Reels and Shorts. Subscribe and enjoy daily editing tips.